Hello friends, you are at my new studio. My studio now sits on top of a big hill called Walnut Ridge Farms, and it is so cool because I have all sorts of new friends, like this really cool red rooster and many other little critters, including a cat called the Thunder. I wanted to give you a quick little tour. So that is the chicken coop where my friends hang out, and you can see just how beautiful this land is. I'm gonna give you like kind of a sneak peek of some different scenes on top of this Walnut Ridge. It is just absolutely spectacular, but there's my studio. Can you believe that? It is so cool. You see how it has that huge big barn door? All right, let me take you inside. All right, you see this whole big wall totally can slide in front. And what's amazing, it's like I'm painting outside, but I'm inside, just like that. And so let me give you an idea as to the scale of this incredible space. This painting over here, just so you can kind of get an idea, is this commission is 144 inches. Like, do you see how big that is? And look, a dog door. This painting is 60 inches tall, so I have nice big high ceilings. Look how pretty that sunset is. It is just spectacular. The way being up on top of this hill is just so pretty and stunning. But the part that I feel giddy about is that you see nothing in here but painted work. Like, I have so much space that I can like stretch out. And as you guys know, I have everything on wheels so I can move around very mobily. But to be able to have this kind of painting space, I just can't even begin to tell you how grateful I feel. Just super grateful. And then there's that magic door. I'm not going to show you what's behind the door on this video, but another one, future video, I totally will. So here's my big question for you. I would actually love to make a couple of other videos about my studio life, like what it's been like in the past and what it's like now. But what kind of questions would you like me to answer? I'd be very curious because I think it would be way fun to have this exchange about what studio life looks like. All right, let me know.